Hey guys! I made a decorative wall mirror and a lighted table decor. These are decorative pieces that are easy to make and they are budget friendly. I would like to share with you guys how I made them. Now let's go ahead and get started. I took a foam board and I made an inner circle and an outer circle. And then I carved it out using an X-Acto knife. And then I'm going to use a paper to try and draw a shape. I turn it to the back to draw out a shape on a paper that I will be using to draw out another shape on the outer circle and carve it out. This is what it looks like, and then I cut out the shape and I will be tracing it on the board. I traced out the upper part of the stencil that I cut out for the top and bottom, and then I will be doing a freehand sketch for the sides. I carved it out, and then I made 3. I used a silver Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I spray painted half of each of the circles. Now for the black one, I covered it up because it's already a black foam board, but for the other one, because I used a white foam board, I'm going to be using some cutouts that I made from a poster board to cover it up. Instead of this technique, you can also spray paint it black. And then to cover up the edges, I'm going to be using bling wrap. I cut the bling wrap into singular strips, and then I'm going to be covering the inner edges and the outer edges. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I did this for all 3 circles. Now this is how I'm going to lay them down and glue them together. For the middle, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree round mirror, and I detached the mirror from the frame, and then I glued a foam board at the back for better support. Now for the design, to be on the mirror or with the mirror, I turned it to the back, and I'm going to be gluing the mirror on to the design at the back, and then I also glued a hook at the back to mount it on the wall. These are silver plastic spoons that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be gluing them only to the silver part. Now for the next decor, I'm going to be using skewers, and I cut them into 2. I will be using craft balls that I cut into 2 to insert the skewers. Now for better accuracy, I made dots around the craft ball to make it easy for me. This is for better accuracy and to evenly distribute the skewers onto the craft ball. I'll have to say that you should use the hot glue when you're inserting the skewers and not after. And then I faced the skewers upward. I inserted them upward because of the space of my table. But you can make yours wider, but I made my facing upward because of the space of my table. And then I spray painted it silver. And then I used these gems that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to be gluing them onto the top of each of the skewers. This is what it looks like, and I made a smaller one using shorter skewers. This is a pack of bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be using just one of it as the base for the larger table decor design. This is the lighting that I'm going to be using that has a remote, and I'm going to be leaving the link for this lighting in the description box below. And it is so pretty on the table. I really love the way it looks, and for the smaller one, you can mount it on the wall using either command strip or anything with an adhesive backing, but gluing it first to the back of the craft ball. I really love how each and every one of these decor pieces turned out. and they are so easy to make and they're budget friendly. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about each of the decor pieces and if it's something you'd like to try out in your home. And remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.